The world of artificial intelligence just felt a tremor. For years, a handful of giant tech companies have dominated the conversation. They built the massive, expensive models that power our digital lives. We assumed that was the only way forward. Then, a small company most people have never heard of did something unexpected. That company is DeepSeek. It created a powerful new model that many are calling Model 1. This model is not just strong, it is also incredibly efficient. And most importantly, it is open for everyone to use. Its arrival challenges the very foundation of the AI industry as we know it, forcing us to ask new questions about who controls this powerful technology. This story is not about one more incremental update to an existing chatbot. It represents a fundamental shift in how cutting-edge AI can be built and shared. To understand DeepSeek, you must first understand its origins. The company is young, founded only in 2023. At its helm is Liang Wenfeng, who comes not from academic AI research but from quantitative hedge funds. This background is crucial. It suggests a culture built on rigorous mathematics, data analysis, intense efficiency. Liang has publicly stated a philosophy that sounds almost radical in today's tech landscape. He said the company's goal is not to lose money, nor to chase enormous profits. Instead, the primary mission is to push the frontiers of technology. This philosophy sets DeepSeek apart. They embraced open source. They release models under permissive MIT licenses. This means anyone, a student, a researcher, a small business owner, can download, modify, and use their creations for free. So, what exactly makes Model 1 so different on a technical level? The answer isn't one breakthrough, it's a set of low-level engineering wins. Not flashy marketing, the bedrock of efficiency. Based on leaks and analysis, a big change is how the model manages memory. DeepSeek redesigned the key-value cache layout to track context better. That lets it handle much longer inputs without pricier hardware. Another major win: improved sparse attention. Attention decides which parts of input matter most. Sparse attention focuses compute only on the relevant bits. Think of a reader skimming for keywords instead of reading every word. They've also adopted FP8 decoding. FP8 represents numbers with less data. Big memory and speed wins with little accuracy loss. At the core is a custom library called Flash MLA. Flash MLA includes highly optimized kernels tuned for GPUs. It squeezes more speed and context from the same hardware. We don't have a confirmed parameter count, but prior DeepSeek models hit 670 billion parameters. Model 1 is probably similar, but engineered to act like a larger model at lower cost. Model 1 is expected to be fully multimodal: text, images, audio, video. It should handle extremely long documents, entire codebases, complex multi-part instructions. For users, that means faster response times, fewer delays, and the ability to tackle far more sophisticated tasks than before. DeepSeek Model 1 is not entering an empty arena. It is stepping into a fiercely competitive field dominated by OpenAI's GPT series, Google's Gemini, and xAI's Grok. OpenAI's GPT-4 is the incumbent: strong reasoning, creative writing, and a massive app ecosystem. Gemini 2.5 Pro tops leaderboards and boasts a massive context window, up to 2 million tokens. It ties into Google's knowledge graph for deep analysis. Grok has real-time access to X and a conversational, edgy personality with voice and vision features. Each model reflects a different strategy. This is the gauntlet Model 1 must run. To succeed, it must match or exceed these giants on critical benchmarks. Early signs are promising. DeepSeek's R1 matched GPT-4 on several tough tasks. But Model 1's biggest edge may be openness, an open alternative to closed APIs and subscriptions. That openness could become a powerful weapon in this battle. The question is whether the open path can keep pace with polished proprietary products. Section 5. The price tag that changes everything. While performance and features are important, the single most disruptive aspect of DeepSeek Model 1 is its cost. This is where the company absolutely demolishes the competition. The API pricing for DeepSeek's existing models is dramatically lower than the major American tech companies. For instance, their R1 reasoning model costs about 14 cents per million input tokens. OpenAI's GPT-4 can cost around $5 for the same amount. That's a difference of orders of magnitude. The financial implications are staggering. This pricing could send shockwaves through the entire AI market. Reports noted dips in U.S. tech stocks as investors worried about a low-cost open-source competitor. If Model 1 continues this trend, the industry may have to rethink pricing. The days of premium rates could be numbered. For developers and small businesses, this is a game-changer. High API costs have long been a barrier to experimentation. Now, building AI products becomes financially feasible. Add MIT licensing and self-hosting, and the incentive becomes undeniable. Section 6. Real-world impact, from classrooms to clinics. What does all this mean for everyday people? In education, it could revolutionize learning. Imagine a free, personalized tutoring app that helps with math, explains complex scientific concepts, and provides feedback on writing. Schools and nonprofits could deploy one-on-one support at scale. Small businesses will feel this too. A local restaurant could self-host AI for reservations and customer questions. No subscription fees. A freelance designer could spark ideas or draft marketing copy for free. Healthcare benefits from privacy. Hospitals can keep data on-prem and still use powerful AI. DeepSeek Model 1 can run entirely offline on internal servers. It can analyze records, summarize research, and assist diagnosis without compromising confidentiality. Open source fuels community innovation, distilled, specialized versions for many niches. Model 1 becomes a foundation for hundreds of tools and services. Section 7. The open source dilemma: access versus accountability. The promise of open source AI is undeniable, but it's not without risks. Openness drives innovation and accessibility, and also safety challenges. When a powerful model is free to download, anyone can use it for any purpose. Bad actors could generate misinformation, malicious code, or massive phishing campaigns. Unlike closed systems that can shut down abuse, open models are uncontrollable once downloaded. The community must set norms and best practices for safe deployment. It raises hard questions of liability, creator, deployer, or community. Bias is another concern. Without rigorous audits, harms can be amplified, especially in sensitive areas like hiring or lending. The path forward: transparency about data, clear safety procedures, robust community audits, testing, and red teaming. The freedom of open source AI must come with a shared sense of responsibility. Section 8. The road to AGI: a step, not a leap. With each new model, the conversation turns to AGI, human-like intelligence across many tasks. Does DeepSeek Model 1 mean AGI is just around the corner? The consensus is a calm no. It's a significant step on a long road. DeepSeek pushes narrow AI, specialized yet powerful tools. They excel at language and patterns, but lack genuine understanding and common sense. Surveys place a 50% chance of AGI between 2040 and 2050. Scaling current models alone may not get us there. We'll likely need new learning algorithms, brain insights, and embodied robotics. DeepSeek emphasizes innovation and talent over a single miracle model. By lowering costs and opening access, Model 1 invites many more minds into the work. More hands, more ideas, faster progress, and unexpected breakthroughs. It accelerates narrow AI, the foundation for future systems. Model 1 isn't the destination. It's a faster vehicle for the journey. What happens when the power to create is given to everyone? DeepSeek Model 1 hints at GPT-4 class power, smarter engineering, multimodality, and radically lower costs in the open. The giants still have polish and massive ecosystems. The race is far from over. But for classrooms, small businesses, and clinics, access and affordability change everything. Open power demands shared responsibility, transparency, audits, and safety practices. We built this breakdown from the video DeepSeek Model 1, the AI revolution you didn't see coming. Join our free weekly newsletter at bitbiased.ai for AI news, tools, and learning resources. If this helped, tap like, drop your thoughts on Model 1 versus GPT, Grok, and Gemini, and subscribe for more deep dives. Is this the end of AI exclusivity? Or just a flash in the pan? Tell me how you'll use this new wave of AI. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.